Subscribe to Tiger Tech channel and also press the bell icon. Then you will never miss any update.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tiger Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can unsuspend your account in Hitmeup app. As you guys know that when your account get banned you cannot unsuspend it. Even you try to uninstall your application and when you reinstall it, it shows the same issue that your account is suspended. So now I'm going to show you an easiest way that how you can unsuspend it. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me show you that my account is suspended. So now I'm going to open it. So you can see my account is suspended. So now I'm going to show you how you can unsuspend this. So first of all, go to your settings and go to your application section. Go to the application and scroll down and find Hitmeup. So click on it. So when you click on it, so first of all go to your storage section and clear the data. So once you've done that, go back and go to your permissions. So you guys have to turn off these two permissions. If these two permissions turn on, you cannot unsuspend this. So turn off it and go back and open Hitmeup. So as you guys can see, the suspended issue is fixed now, and now I am going to create a new account. So as you guys can see, I'm not getting banned again. So guys, I'm able to use this application again and now I'm not getting banned. So guys, if your account is banned, you can unsuspend it from this way. So guys, if this trick works for you, so please subscribe our channel. Also, if you have any question, you can write in comment. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Tiger Tech channel and also press this bell icon, then you will never miss any update.